Hi friends, today what we are going to do is we are going to draw some insects, okay, or bugs. We are going to draw them in a bottle, okay. So let's see what are the things that we need for this project. We need what is this paper, we need crayons or markers, we need a pencil, we need ballpoint pen, and we need a black marker if you can find one, okay. Or if you don't have a black marker, you can use a black crayon, okay. So first step, what we're going to do is we are going to put the paper in the in the portrait style like this, and then we are going to fold this in the middle. So see that you're matching the side of the paper with the other side. The right side and left side, match both the sides, and then you're going to fold it, press it down. Now open it. Now you see a crease right through the middle, right? Now what you're going to do is you're going to take a pencil and then let's draw one half of a bottle. Let's see how we draw the bottle, okay? So we are going to start with the bottle's cap. So I'm going to, so see it's like a rectangle, but the side is not connected. So I drew a rectangle. I'm drawing another one under like that. Okay, got that? It looks like a M, like an elongated M from this side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over that with the pencil a few times to make it really thick. Thick and dark. Can you see? Go over it a few times. Now turn this around, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a line all the way to here. I'm going to make this line thick. So it starts just below this one, okay? Just below the C part, backward C part, just below that. I'm going to make the line thick. And then I'm going to go all the way to the middle of the paper. Make the line really thick. Okay, so what do you have now? You have half a bottle. I'm going to fold the paper back, and you will be able to see the lines that you made through the paper. I can see the lines. In case you can't see the lines really well, hold this against the glass of the window, and then you'll be able to see all the lines clearly. I can see, so I'm not going to take this to the window. And what I'm going to do is now I'm going to take this ballpoint pen, and then I'm going to go over the lines that I made before with the pencil. I'm going to trace the lines that I can see through this one. I can see all the lines. So I traced it. Now when I open, see what we have. We have the other half of the bottle, a full bottle here. Now I'm going to take the marker. I'm going to go over the line, the faint line. So what happened was the excess lead there when you pressed with the ballpoint pen transferred over to the other side, and now we have an exact symmetrical bottle. So we have a bottle now. Now we are going to think of things that we can put it inside, some bugs that we can think of that can go inside this bottle. Okay, so for that, you can take the crayons to draw the body, to color the body, or you can use markers. So if you have markers, let me show you how we can do this first with the marker, and then I'll show you how to do it if you don't have a marker. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to take the marker and we are going to put the marker on, or let's take an aluminum foil. Okay, I'm going to color the aluminum foil a little bit like that. So there is some color over there. Now I'm going to take one of my fingers, the pointy finger. I'm going to rub it in on this one, get the color on my finger, and I'm going to press it down. What do you see? We are transferring the color. So I'm going to, what looks red? What insect is red in color? Did I hear someone say a ladybug? Yes, a ladybug is red. So I'm going to add the eyes for the ladybug, and I'm going to draw the line and then the wings. I made a T. Can you see the bold capital T? I'm going to add some spots to his wings. Okay, and then I'm going to add an antenna. So we have our first insect, which is a ladybug. So in case you don't have markers at home, the next one I'm going to show you with the crayon. I'm going to take my green crayon. Okay, I'm going to, so this again, you could have done the same thing with the crayon over here. Okay, so this ladybug is going downwards. That's why it's like that. So this I'm going to make, watch, okay? I'm going to make some small circles. All like attached together like that. Maybe one more. Okay, what do you think looks something like that? I'm going to add eyes and a mouth and a little antenna and a few legs. Do you see what I had in mind when I was drawing this fellow? Yes, I was drawing a caterpillar or a worm. Okay, so if you have crayon, you can color this way. I'm going to take my so it's up to you. If you don't have to transfer with the finger also. That was like thumbprint thing that you can do. Or another way, let me show you just using the marker. I'm going to make a oval, like a teardrop, water drop upside down. Can you see the yellow really well? And then I'm going to add something to this. I hope someone can guess this one, this insect, which is yellow with black. Did somebody say? A bee? Yes, it's a bee. So I have now two insects. What should I make next? Maybe I'm going to use some brown. I don't know whether you have seen this brown insect, or maybe black also works. So I'm going to put some, Now I'm going to use my thumb for this big insect. Where should it go? So do you guys have to put the insects in the same place that I have put? No, you can put the insect anywhere you want inside, okay? So what should I turn this into? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Who do you think this fellow is? This is a spider. So I have a spider. Now let's draw what? Let me draw the body first of this insect. In kindergarten, did you guys have like the first day when my daughter was in kindergarten? On the first day, she was asked to bring an insect to the school, insect to school. Did you guys have that? Or is it something that is not done anymore? She went to school a long time back, maybe 13 years back, in not school, kindergarten. So she is still in school, not school, college. So maybe things have changed, right? So I don't know. So I'm going to color this. Oh, this butterfly is almost covering this ladybug. It's okay, we can overlap. Maybe I'll make another ladybug here. So you can fill this up with whatever insect that you wanna draw. Okay, so maybe I'll just outline this. Okay, so I think these many insects inside would be enough. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to color the color the bottle. So it's going to be a transparent bottle. So we are not going to put a lot of color. We are just going to color in lightly. I dropped my pen. Very lightly, I'm just making it look like it is glass. Okay, for the cap, I'm going to put another color. If you want to fill your bottle with a lot of insects, go ahead, add more. Okay. Just finishing off with a little bit more. I forgot to color this fellow's face. Okay, now we don't want the bottle to look like it's floating in the air, so I'm going to draw a horizon line or a table. Okay, so when you're drawing that, when you reach the bottle, you're going to jump over and then draw on the other side. maybe I will draw something over here. Let's see. I'm going to take some blue. So we are just making some blobs like that and then turning that into something, right? So what do you think this fellow is? It is a snail. Okay, and then now you can paint the color, the background, whatever color you want. I'm going to make this brown for the table. I'm going to color it lightly. I want my insects to stand out. Okay, now for my background, maybe what color should it be? I'm going to take yellow. There is so little space here. I'm going to move my stuff. I'm going to color from side to side lightly, as much, like, you should try your best. I'm trying to do this super fast so you guys can see the result. You guys can take your time. If I'm going super fast, you can pause the video and then you can catch up with me. So, see what we did here? We are done with this, the bugs in a bottle thing. Okay, go add more insects if you want. Think of more things that you can add to it. Maybe you can add what is it called, the firefly that lights up in the night, right? Or you can add a different type of butterfly. Maybe what other insect? Dragonfly is another insect that you can draw. I'm just sticking to these many. Okay, you can draw a beetle. Okay, so go ahead, draw whatever insect inside your mason jar or the jar, and then finish this. So till we meet next time, bye bye.